Direct indirect. Part 2. Sentences 21 to 40. 21. Direct, they said, we have done our duty. Indirect, they said that they had done their duty. 22. Direct, the teacher said to us, you have not completed your drawing. Indirect, the teacher said to us that we had not completed our drawing. 23. Direct, she said. They have not eaten their meals. Indirect, she said that they had not eaten their meals. 24. Direct, the teacher said, I have often told you not to play with fire. Indirect, the teacher said that he had often told them not to play with fire. 25. Direct, my brother said to me, you have missed the point completely. Indirect, my brother said to me that I had missed the point completely. 26. Direct, he said, I completed my drawing half an hour ago. Indirect, he said that he had completed his drawing half an hour before. 27. Direct, she said, I did not go to school yesterday. Indirect, she said that she had not gone to school the day before. 28. Direct, he said. She sang a beautiful ghazal at the concert last night. Indirect, he said that she had sung a beautiful ghazal at the concert the night before. 29. Direct, she said. He rang me up at 12 midnight. Indirect, she said that he had rung her up at 12 midnight. 30. Direct, he said, the boys did not put up a good show last night. Indirect, he said that the boys had not put up a good show the night before. 31. Direct, she said, I shall never do such a thing. Indirect, she said that she would never do such a thing. 32. Direct. Afshan said, they will wait for us for an hour only. Indirect, Afshan said that they would wait for them for an hour only. 33. Direct, they said. We shall never make a promise we cannot fulfill. Indirect, they said that they would never make a promise they could not fulfill. 34. Direct, he said. I shall explain this to you only if you listen to me with patience. Indirect, he said that he would explain that to me only if I listened to him with patience. 35. Direct, he said. I hope you will not repeat this mistake. Indirect, he said that he hoped I would not repeat that mistake. 36. Direct, he said. Will you listen to me? Indirect, he asked me whether I would listen to him. 37. Direct, she said. Are you going to Lahore today? Indirect, she asked me whether I was going to Lahore that day. 38. Direct, he said. Do you agree with me? Indirect, he asked me whether I agreed with him. 39. Direct, he said to me, what are you looking for? Indirect, he asked me what I was looking for. 40. Direct, she said. Where do you live? Indirect, she inquired of them where they lived.